What's up, One Stop Watches? It's fucking cold outside. Happy New Year. I got my boy Hudson, and we're just 2 idiots trying to have some fun with some fireworks. So, Hudson, let's see this beauty. Do it.
Oh my gosh, shut out. What the hell?
Chase it down. Chase it down. Oh no! It's getting away! Oh no!
That thing's long gone.
Yeah, it's long gone. It's so long gone. We'll never see it again. What do we do now? One of these?
Yeah.
Wait, don't know where they went. Ah! Fuck my eye. My eye.
Let's open this.
It's alright. Wait, take a second. Ah, my eye.
Oh no, technical difficulties.
Alright, I want to do an experiment. I don't know why I thought this video was going to be long. It's not going to be very long at all. But
It's cold as hell.
let's just fill the bag.
There. Stomp on it. Best video ever. Sparkly.
I think that's all we have for this video.